Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to install kalilinux in VirtualBox. So first we have to download the kalilinux. Open your browser, or you can check the link in description. Kalilinux. This is the official website kali.org. Click here. Click on download, click on here, and 64 installer, complete offline installation with customization. Click here and save. If you don't have Oracle VirtualBox, then you can check the description. I added the video how to install VirtualBox. After downloading of kalilinux, installing of the VirtualBox. Guys, if you don't have a Oracle, if you don't have a Oracle VirtualBox, then you can see the video I uploaded here. That's also I added in description. You can check the video link. After downloading of kalilinux, we have to open VirtualBox and click on new. Give the name Kali or whatever you want. I want to give the Kali OS, Kali OS, and select the type. This is most important, Linux, and version is Debian 64-bit. Click on next. I want to give 2.5 GB of RAM. When you're selecting the memory size, please don't cross the red line. Hit the next. Create a virtual hard disk now. That's default. Click on create. VDI virtual disk image. Click on next. Dynamically allocated, next. And I want to give the hard disk size is 50 GB. That will be good enough. Either you want to more, then you can give more. Click on create. Now we have to change some settings and click on setting. So KOS, Linux and Debian. Go to advanced, change biodirectional. When you change the biodirectional, you can easily set the clipboard, and you can use the drag and drop option to exchange the files between VirtualBox, kalilinux and your operating system. And go to system, check the property, remove this, and enable EFI, which is good, and go to processor. I want to change the to CPU and leave other things as well as. Go to display. I want to 32 MB video memory and keep all things as well as. Change video memory 32 MB and keep other things as well as. Go to storage. In storage, you can add the Kali ISO file. Click on npt and click here. Choose a disk file. Choose the kalilinux 202.2 installer AMD 64. Audio and other things leave as default. So click on OK. Just make sure here should be the kalilinux. Make sure for that and click on start. Here is the graphical installation. Just click enter. And select the English. Here go continue. United States. You can change your country name here. United States. Continue. And language which you want, you can select from here. There's so many languages. I want American English. Just click continue. It's going to detect. It will taking some time to loading the additional components. Give the host name. I want Pali. Continue. Domain name, I want Pali. Continue. Give the full name of the new user. You can give the name of you here. I want to be yes. Click on continue. Here also I want to give the POS. Continue. Give the password. And click on continue. Select the time zone. Use entire disk. Continue. And continue. All files in one partition recommended for new users. That will be good for you because we are using the virtual box. Hit continue. Finish partition and write change to disk. Hit continue. Click on S and continue. Hit the continue. Here you can change the display manager or you can leave the default. Just click continue. Can continue now. Enter. Let's log in. Install completely now.